अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एजुकेशनल टिप्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब बच्चे बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। तो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ लेसन 2.7 कंपाउंड एंड मिक्सचर। आप सब बच्चे अपना पेज नंबर ओपन कर लीजिए, पेज नंबर 38। पेज नंबर 38 पे आ जाइए। तो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है। फोकस क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है जी, टिक ऑल द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। आपने उस करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट को टिक करना है। सोफिया प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट, ट्रू। Marcus produce a new product, false. Iron is a magnet, yes, iron is a magnet. And something in Marcus beaker is attracted to the magnet, yes, true. um, at the end of the Sophia experiment, something in Sophia test tube is attracted by a magnet, false. At the end of Sophia experiment, the test tube contain a compound, true. At the end of Marcus experiment, the beaker contain a compound, false. At the end of the experiment, the atom in Marcus beaker look like this, true. At the end of the experiment, the atom in the Sophia test tube look like this, true. And the last is compound have the same properties as the element they are made up of, false. Now coming towards the next page, page number 40. On page number 40, we have a practice question. Look at the particles diagram. Use the diagram to answer the question. Which box contain gas? याद रखिएगा कि गैस के जो particles of the gas are much far apart from each other. ठीक है? So in the A diagram, the particles are very far apart. In the C diagram, the particles are very far apart, and in the D diagram, the particles are very far apart. So A, C, and D. Which box contain a mixture? A mixture is the C and the E block, because there are many. Look, किसी में आपके पास ब्लैक कलर आ रहा है, किसी में व्हाइट कलर आ रहा है, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ मिक्सचर. Which box contain a liquid? A liquid is the F block, because particles are not very far apart, but and not tightly compact with each other. They are little bit far apart from each other. Now come on the next page, page number 41. And on the page number 41, we have question number 5, the challenge portion. Which box contain a mixture of element? Block number E. And which box contain a mixture of compound? Block number C. Now question number 7, part number A. Give an example of a compound made up of two elements and an example of a mixture of the same element. Iron sulfide is a compound. A mixture would be iron filling mixed with sulfur powder. Now coming towards part number B. Explain the difference between a compound made of two elements and a mixture of the same two elements. In a compound, the elements are bonded together and the new product has different properties from the element that made it. In the mixture, the elements are not bonded together and no new product is formed. ये देख लीजिए, ये आंसर. Part number C. Explain how the property of a compound are different from the property of the two elements. The compound iron sulfide is not magnet, but iron is. Sulfur is a bright yellow color, but iron sulfate is not. Now the last D part is explain how the property of a mixture are different from those of the compound. In a mixture, the iron is still magnet, but in the compound, it is not. The elements retain their properties in the mixture. The iron is still a gray color and sulfur is still yellow. They are just mixed up together and can be separated. In a compound, the elements can't be easily separated. So this is the answer of exercise 2.7. Hope so you like my lecture and gain some knowledge. अगर आपको ये लेक्चर पसंद आया तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियोस को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और साथ साथ बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा. इससे मेरी आने वाली हर लेटेस्ट अपडेट सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचेगी. मिलती हूँ किसी वीडियो में. दुआ में याद रखिएगा, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. जाते जाते चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना मत भूलिएगा कि आज का लेक्चर आप सबको कैसा लगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.